Ashley, another morning of all this lightning and storms.
Yes, cloud to ground lightning. We're seeing a lot of it, and that is very, very dangerous, could be deadly. You see how quickly we're seeing these flashes of lightning, so stay inside if you absolutely can. Run to your car if you have to get to work. I would hold off if you absolutely can, because winds are picking up, the rain is coming down hard, and we've actually seen a lot of transformers blow in the distance, so we could be dealing with a lot of power outages as well. Here's a look at the big picture. You can see all those lightning strikes right over the Baton Rouge metro as we speak. So I'll zoom in just to show you, and you can see it's right over Baton Rouge, about to move into Denham Springs. Shenandoah, you're up next. Plaquemine dealing with some strong thunderstorms as well. So it's this one cluster, and I put a track on the other portion that we could be dealing with a hail core at this time. This is just northeast of Plaquemine, but this could be moving into Walker in about 17 minutes or so. So another dangerous storm. Could be dealing with some dime-size hail. It's sub-severe right now, but I have been looking at some of the velocity products. A lot of wind energy with this storm. We could see if some of this wind could reach the surface, and that could cause some damage out there as well. So please, if you can, stay indoors until this one batch does move to the east, and it is moving to the east quickly, so it should be out of here. We won't be done with the rain though after that. The strongest storms will just start to wind down. In fact, let's take the traffic cam right now. I did want to show you. This is closer toward the O'Neill area, and look at how vivid these lightning strikes are. It's every couple of seconds, and it's coming down. This is at O'Neill, so the strongest storms haven't even really technically reached that area just yet, or maybe they just have, looking at the latest radar scan. So again, please use extreme caution if you have to be outdoors. One cluster of storms I'm really watching as it approaches Port Allen as we speak, may be producing some dime-size hail at the moment, and it is really moving quickly, about 40 to 50 miles per hour, likely producing some gusty wind, frequent lightning, which you can see right there, and then some very heavy rain. Could be in Port Allen in about 11 minutes, LSU 15 minutes, Baton Rouge 15 minutes, Shenandoah around 20 to 25 minutes. So if you can at least hold off going to work maybe for a few minutes, then I would do so, because you're going to run into some downpours, again maybe some gusty winds, some hail. Now if you can't hold off, I would get on the road now just in case, because it's not just this one batch, but also this one batch of thunderstorms currently situated over Lafayette. Those are moving to the east and southeast as of right now, so that could clip the southern portion of our viewing area. So the best chance for rain will be this morning. We should get some dry time before more storms move in, perhaps this afternoon, but it looks as though it may be more so late this evening, overnight, and then closer to daybreak rain chances will drop off. But I'm still thinking we'll get one last batch of rain tomorrow night and into early Sunday. So here's a look at your day planner again. Best chance for rain will be this morning and then again later on today. So we could have some more storms move in from the west this evening. Here's a look at just some of our local rivers. A bunch of them already in minor flood stage. Some of them are going to crest by tomorrow. So you can see some. The Amite at Denham Springs expected to crest around 32 feet. You can find a full list of the local rivers on our website. Just click the main story. It will say flash flood and severe threat, and it will bring you to the National Weather Service's river forecast page. So again, 70% chance for rain today, 50% on Saturday. We're drying out starting on Sunday, but it's not going to take much to see some additional flooding, since we've already seen on average 3 to 6 inches of rainfall, and we could pick up an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain. So again, that flash flood alert or flash flood watch is in effect until tomorrow. Again, could see maybe 1 to 3, 2 to 3 more than likely, especially along the I-10 and I-12 corridor. And where you see this red, that is a moderate risk for excessive rainfall today. So where you see the red, that's where we're going to have the greatest concern for some flash flooding. And we could have a strong to severe thunderstorm, mainly in the form of damaging winds and hail, but again, flooding will be our main concern today.